Journey through the Tarot, a modern tale in a bustling city where the hum of life never ceases. There lived a young woman named Arya. She was a seeker of wisdom, always curious about the mysteries of life. One day, she stumbled upon an old, dusty tarot deck in a quaint little shop. Intrigued, she decided to explore the world of tarot, hoping to find answers to her questions. The Major Arcana, the Fool's Journey. Arya's journey began with the Major Arcana, a series of 22 cards that represent significant life events and spiritual lessons. These cards are like the major chapters in the story of life. The Fool. Arya's adventure started with the Fool, symbolizing new beginnings and the courage to step into the unknown. The Fool's carefree nature reminded Arya to embrace life's uncertainties with optimism. The Magician. Next, she met the Magician, who taught her about harnessing her inner power and creativity. The Magician's tools represented the elements of earth, air, fire, and water, showing Arya how to balance these forces in her life. The High Priestess. The High Priestess, with her deep intuition and wisdom, encouraged Arya to trust her inner voice. She learned that sometimes, the answers lie within, waiting to be discovered. The Empress and the Emperor. As she continued, Arya encountered the nurturing Empress and the authoritative Emperor. They taught her about the importance of balance between nurturing creativity and establishing structure in her life. Each card in the Major Arcana brought Arya closer to understanding herself and the world around her, guiding her through life's trials and triumphs. The Minor Arcana, the elements of daily life. Minor Arcana consists of 56 cards divided into 4 suits: Wands, Cups, Swords, and Pentacles. These cards reflect the everyday experiences and challenges we face. Wands, Fire, representing passion and action. The Wands suit reminded Arya of her ambitions and the drive to pursue her dreams. The Queen of Wands, with her fiery spirit, inspired Arya to lead with confidence and creativity. Cups, Water, the Cup suit, symbolizing emotions and relationships, taught Arya about the depth of her feelings. The King of Cups, embodying emotional balance, showed her the importance of compassion and understanding in her interactions. Swords, Air, Swords, associated with intellect and communication, highlighted the power of clear thinking and honest dialogue. The Knight of Swords, swift and decisive, encouraged Arya to face challenges head-on with clarity and courage. Pentacles, Earth. Finally, the Pentacles suit, representing the material world and finances, grounded Arya in practicality. The King of Pentacles, a symbol of wealth and stability, reminded her to manage her resources wisely and appreciate the fruits of her labor. Intuition and guidance. Arya learned that while intuition is a powerful tool, understanding the traditional meanings of the cards can provide a solid foundation. Each tarot deck might have unique artwork and interpretations, but the core symbolism often remains consistent. For example, the King of Pentacles typically signifies financial stability and success, while the Swords suit generally relates to communication and thought. By blending intuition with knowledge, Arya found a harmonious way to navigate her readings, avoiding common misconceptions and deepening her connection with the tarot.